Can we get Minecraft for free on Android? Hi guys, welcome back. Today we will be finding out that, so without any delay, let's just get started. First of all, you can head over to your device's available Play Store if you're on Android. After that, you can use the search bar and search for Minecraft here. And once you find it, you can look out for Minecraft. So as you can see, Minecraft is a paid application. So if you would like to purchase it, we need to pay certain amount. So we have this amount, which is $6.99. So if you would like to purchase this, unfortunately, we cannot get it free if you're trying to do it legally. So there are different third-party applications that claims to give it for free. But that's unlikely safe and might be spam, something that may hack into your devices and etc. So it's better to not do so. So what you can do is you can look out for the paid version instead, and we have this option available. You can just tap on it and you can look out for adding up a credit card or debit card, your payment method, and you can just go ahead and purchase it. If not from here, you can even look out for Minecraft in web version. So you can look out for Minecraft search bar and then look out for Minecraft.net browser, and once you open it up, we have this option where you can easily get Minecraft in your desktop. Your device, your phone as well. So you can follow up this method in order to do so. Otherwise, we have free trial available if you would like to go ahead and add up a trial before purchasing it. We have trial provided by Minecraft. You can look out for that trial maybe about a week. You can go ahead and start playing it and see if that is something you would like to purchase. After that, you can just go ahead and tap on buy and confirm the details, go on with the payment method, and you should be able to purchase Minecraft. So this is it. That's it for today's video. You may follow up this method in order to do so. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.